Hello, my name is Tenzel Lala. Today I'm making a tutorial on how to wash your shoes in the washing machine. As you see, I'm putting my shoes in the washing machine. Remember, this is a washing machine. We use it to wash clothing, but to make life easier, I can also use it to wash my shoes. I am putting my shoes one by one so that you can see life is easy when we are using a washing machine to wash my shoes. Just watch and see how am I going to do it. It will show you everything on how to wash your shoes. Here you see I'm putting a little bit of safe so that I can start washing my shoes. This is safe in my container. I just add some safe. As you can see now, I'm preparing to close my machine. You can see I'm closing it. It's now closed. It's now washing. It's now washing. It's now washing. Watch and see. Watch and see. It's now washing. It's now washing. It's now washing. It's now washing. It's going to help you. It's going to make the job easy. Here I'm just trying to show you how am I going to do it. It's washing. And now I'm just showing, I just watch it for some little seconds. You see how am I going to set my machine. It's when I'm setting the machine, I'll use the quick wash, and the level of the water, it depends with the amount of water you want to use. It's 1 to 2, then 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 6 to 8. That's how you can use when you're washing your shoes. Keep on watching, keep on watching, keep on watching, keep on watching. As you can see, it's now spinning. It's now spinning. It's now spinning. It's only 1 minute left. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. I will show you the miracle. It makes life easy. It makes life easy. You can also try it. You can also try it. Life is easy. Yes, it's done. Now, watch and see. They are now clean. They are now clean. The shoes are clean now. It's clean now. It's clean now. You see my pants. They are now small. They are now clean. It's ready to wear. It's ready to wear. It's ready to wear. I can wear them now because they are dry. So job done. Please share and like, comment.